In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your Slack channel. Whether you're managing a small team or handling a large organization, knowing how to efficiently add a new team member to your Slack channel is a critical skill. So let's dive right in and make it as simple as possible for you. First, we need to head over to Slack. You can open a web browser and navigate to your Slack workspace by entering your workspace URL or simply typing in slack.com and logging in. If you frequently switch between devices, remember that your login might be required on your current browser for security purposes. This is a straightforward step, but vital to ensuring you access the right workspace. Next, as you proceed to log in, you might be prompted with different login options. Choose the Google option if you have linked your Google account to your Slack account. This allows for a quick and secure login, saving you time from having to remember additional passwords. Click on Google, then select your Google account if prompted. Ensure you're choosing the right account associated with your workspace. Once you're logged in, continue by clicking on Use Slack in your browser. This option is ideal if you're not planning to install the Slack app on your device or if you're temporarily using a different device. Navigating Slack through a browser provides the same functionalities you would have in the app. Inside your Slack workspace, you'll need to select the channel where you want to add new members. Your channels are listed on the left sidebar, which you can scroll through if you have multiple channels. Click on the specific channel to open it. Now at the top of the channel, you'll see the name of the channel, which is right beneath the workspace name. Click on the channel name to access more options. This will open up a new sidebar on the right side of the screen. In this new sidebar, look for the Members tab, which lists all the current participants in the channel. Click on it, and you'll now see an Add People button. Clicking this button is a crucial step, as it will enable you to invite new members to join the channel. You'll then be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to add. Be sure to input the correct email address, as any typos will result in failed invitations. Once you've accurately filled in the email field, proceed by clicking the Add button. It's as simple as that. Now your new team member will receive an invitation to join the channel, and upon accepting it, they'll be able to participate in all channel discussions and collaborations. Following these steps not only ensures that you effectively manage your workspace, but also promotes seamless team integration and communication.